So most everyone is well aware that we completed NASA ILDD Clean 1. The guys did a great job with not only the final report and the actual work, but doing an oral report that Bobby supported as well from Draper. But the report was well received, and I think the invoice submitted and everything's done for that one. The customer asked for one clarification, something we said in our oral report that we had updated the report with, and then we're fully done with that. As part of that package, we did include as a secondary objective some of the results of the rubber prototype activities, which included the Andrews and University of Washington prototype. Provided a data package for that, as well as I think it also included some of the work at UA Huntsville and maybe even ACT too, right?
Just UH.
Just UH. Okay. Yeah, and there you go, the UA Huntsville work on the vision-based system software for their robot. Also, Andy Crocker led a group of NASA interns that came up with a concept for doing early GNC testing, with a lot of support from Draper as well, on a plane fixed lander test bed. Would be a good thing if we could find the right place to build it to do some early testing of the GNC and propulsion systems. And in fact, that group, didn't they win a prize at the NASA competition as well?
They did. They were first place in the design area.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
But when you say looking for a place to build it, what do you mean?
It's large. It's a 10 by 30 meters. Or is it 30 by 30? 10 by 10? Or is it?
Solid concrete.
I think it's 10 by 10 meters. It's an inclined fixed plane to simulate lunar gravity. So it's basically a sled that slides around like it's on an inclined hockey table. And it's got to be really, really smooth concrete, or at least that's what the interns came up with. It's got to be poured and smoothed out, so it needs a pretty significantly sized room and one where you can operate with a smooth floor, smooth incline floor.
As well as the propellant, the heat and the gases from the propellant.
Yeah, not to mention we're going to be firing rocket engines.